Hello, welcome to Brooks Guitar Lessons. I am Bill Brooks. Today we're going to look at the unplugged version of Layla, so stick around. Okay, remember to click like and to share and subscribe to this channel in order to get further lessons and further songs. We're going to look at Layla. So the real life Layla is named Pattie Boyd, and she used to be the wife of George Harrison, the Beatle. And George Harrison wrote the song Something in the Way She Moves, which is a fantastic song. I love it. Fantastic. So then she started seeing Eric Clapton, who, he really liked her a lot, and he wrote this song called Layla, changing her name to, not changing the name of the guilty or the innocent in order to, changing the name to stay out of trouble. And so Eric changed his name to Derek and recorded as Derek and the Dominoes, but George found out about it anyway, and Pattie left George in order to go with Eric. And then Eric wrote another song when he was married to Pattie called Wonderful Tonight, and since then they have been divorced since 1988, but if you're Pattie Boyd, I don't know how you can get into the car and turn on the radio without these three songs running around. Unless you're Taylor Swift's boyfriend, I don't know anybody who's had more songs written about them. So anyway, that's enough talking. Let's go into the song. It goes like this. And then it repeats. So let's take a closer look at what's going on there with those chords. Okay, so your first three chords for the chorus are going to be D minor, B flat major, C major, and then back to D minor. So it goes like this. And then I mute the chord there to get a percussive sound. I'm usually not playing with a drummer, so that's why I want to get that beat there. So then, and you probably say that I'm cheating because I'm not playing a real chord. It's a D minor, and then I lift my fingers up, and then in order to get to the B flat major. So I'm going like that. And then A major, C major, and then C sharp minor. So and then we're going to go to the F sharp minor and the B major, and then E major to A major, and then repeat that. And then hold it, and then go back to the chorus. Okay, that's a lot to chew on, right? That's a lot of chords in that song. This is one of those harder songs that you're probably going to need to be at intermediate level in order to get those chords under your belt. So have fun practicing that. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. And until next time, guitar class is dismissed.